Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from OKX Wallet to Bybit. Now, in order to move your USDT tokens from your OKX Web3 wallet to the Bybit exchange, it's quite easy. The first step would be to log on to your wallet. That's the Web3 wallet once on OKX. Once you've logged on, click on USDT, and then at the top of the screen, we have the network toggle. That is a horizontal scroll where you could easily scroll to a network of your choice and simply select the network and send tokens on that network. Now we're going to be selecting the Solana network or the BNB Smart Chain in this tutorial video. Let's go with the BNB Smart Chain. Once you selected the BNB Smart Chain, make sure you have native BNB Smart Chain in order to send this token out. That is to use to cover your gas fees and any other transaction fees required from your wallet. So once you've bought yourself some of the BNB Smart Chain, click on the send icon, minimize and open up your Bybit. And once you've opened up Bybit, click on the deposit, click on deposit crypto, use the search icon to search for USDT, click on USDT, that's Tether USDT, select the BNB Smart Chain, which is the BSC PEP20, copy this address, minimize and then open up the OKX wallet. Paste the address you just copied, click on confirm, enter an amount of USDT you'd like to send, and click on next. By doing this, you've successfully sent your USDT tokens from the OKX wallet to the Bybit platform. And that's how it's done, guys. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.